Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Aisha and I'm glad that you clicked on this video today. So today we are doing another hair video. In the box it just came with a wig cap and then the wig, of course, and here's the wig. This hair is 22 inches long. And here's the hairline. The hairline was already pre-plucked, so I did not do any plucking to this wig. And the wig also did come with an adjustable band already put inside for you. Make sure you guys watch until the end of the video because I am going to be giving you more details about the hair at the end of this video after installing the wig. So I already did the ball cap method. If you would like to see how I do this, you can check out my previous video. I didn't record it for this video. So for me, this wig was very snug, and I wish that I could have had the option of getting a bigger cap size because it was kind of hard to line up this wig with my hairline because it was very small. So I wasn't able to use the band that it did come with because of the wig size. But I did still manage to get the wig installed. So this is my first time trying to use the Ghost Bond glue. I do still use the Got2b glue and the Got2b spray, but I wanted something that, you know, once you like blow dry it, you can just stick the wig down. You don't have to tie it down. And I've been watching a lot of videos on the Ghost Bond glue, and it just seems like this is a lot easier to work with. But when I went to like dry it, I know a lot of the videos say to dry it clear first, and it was like most of it did turn clear, but not all of it. So I wasn't kind of sure like if I was supposed to continue to dry it and wait till it turned clear. So if you do know, comment down below and let me know if you're supposed to wait till all of it turns clear, or was this okay what I did. Now right here you're going to see I'm just combing the hair into the glue, basically, not the hair, the lace. And I'm going to do this all around, and then I am going to tie it down still just for that extra security. So here we are into the baby hair, and if y'all know, y'all watch my videos, y'all know baby hair is always just like a hit or miss for me. So I have watched so many videos on how to do baby hair, but I really think that the more you practice with it and the more time you spend on it, the better you get. So you guys, as you've seen, this hair was very easy to style, and I love the color of this wig. This hair is also really soft, and it does have like a shine to it. If y'all peep, I'm about to move to a different location. You see in the light now. I'm more so like in the light now. As far as shedding, this hair did have some shedding, not a whole lot, but not a little bit either. It was kind of like in between. So right here, I'm just trying to show you how thick the hair is. It wasn't like really full, but it was full enough for my liking. And as I said in the beginning, this hair is 22 inches. This hair is true to length. And if you would like to know more details about the hair, the link to this hair will be in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. But look at that, giving scalp, y'all. Giving scalp. But if you did like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video.